Cutting your own hair, connecting with friends and family, saving hundreds of dollars every year, saving your family hundreds of dollars every year, learning a skill set that will last you your entire life. When it comes to cutting your own hair, these are some of the many things that come with learning this amazing skill set.
Hey everyone, my name is Alex Kouras. You may know me as the guy on YouTube that cuts his own hair, and I would say does a pretty good job. Being that I am not a licensed barber, I'm also the most viewed self-haircutter on YouTube.
Seriously, type in men's self-haircut on YouTube, go over and click on view count, and the first male self-haircut you will see is my video that has helped over 6.7 million people learn how to cut their own hair.
Now, enough about me. Why is this information important to you? So it's taken me 10 years of cutting my own hair to finally get to a position where I can confidently teach people over the internet. After 3 months of strenuous planning and executing, I've created a very affordable self-haircut course that will teach you all of my in-depth practical tips, skills, and tools that you will need to become an expert self-haircutter like myself. I've already had hundreds of you guys send me your self-haircut results, and they're actually really good, being that majority of you have never cut your own hair before. And I've also read hundreds more of you guys commenting on my videos, saying how helpful my videos were for you and how happy you are to start saving money by not going to the barbershop. These comments and all of your results have motivated me to create this course in order to continue helping you guys on an advanced level to become expert self-haircutters. The self-haircut course is lifetime access, meaning you make one single payment and that's it. These videos are yours to keep forever. No upcharges, no hidden fees, and the best part about it is whenever I add new videos, you'll get all of them 100% for free. The course offers you private education as well as a private community where you can communicate with all of the other course members from around the world. You can send pictures or videos of your results as well as ask around if you have any questions. And of course, I will always be around to help you with 24/7 support. The goal of this course is to provide you an affordable investment into yourself so you can learn this incredible lifelong skill set that will save you, your friends, and your family hundreds if not thousands of dollars every single year on haircuts. I want to help you learn this amazing skill set. You would not be here right now watching this video if you knew that I was not the guy to help you make it happen. So with all that being said, I hope to see you within the course community with the other members. Have a great day and happy self-cutting.